Sa bahay ni Kuya, ani mo'y hindi makabasag pinggan nitong si Ryan. Mukhang mahihain. Napaka-gentleman. Pero nang makabuelo, ang saya pala niya.
You just look like me. You're pretty eh. You just look like me.
Pero minsan hindi maiwasang may mabadges sa kanya.
Diba? We have to keep just quiet, not speak too much, diba?
Guys, ano ba? Ganyan lang talaga si Ryan. Sadyang masayahin lang talaga siya. Minsan, pulero pa.
I want to be a mosquito.
Why? Why?
So that I can touch your skin easily.
Masaya nga dahil kahit anong ipagawa sa kanya, game siya. Pero sana, huwag naman natin siyang itrato parang sa iba-ibang lamang. Tao siya. Tao ka ba talaga, Ryan? Kaya yung totoo, Ryan. Huwag man sinungaling. Pinaparusahan ang sinungaling.
Give me one more chance po. I will do my best po.
Joke lang. Ikaw naman, oh. Pero sa totoo lang, pala kaibigan itong si Ryan. Pag siya ang kasama, palagi kang masaya. Minsan, leader pa.
Everyone can enjoy football, but when you play football,
Halos lahat hindi may iwasang matawa kay Ryan.
Ivan will tell Ryan that he has to think of 10 things he learned as a king.
Ang isang kagaya ni Ryan, hindi mahirap mahalin. Good luck, Ryan. You're really one of a kind. Oh, love Ryan. Cute. At syempre, hi daw kay Ike Camilan Rose. At ito yung mga nag-tweet ako. Akay napiprint out to. Ayun o. I'm Saucy Man. I love you, Ate Ma. Hi sa lahat ng Marians. Hi to Pacheco family. I love this. O2. Hi to all the Marian Society. Love you. I am Mace. Hi to all Ivanites and Dela Fuente family. O, diba? Ang grabe yung mga nag-tweet. At ito naman po ang dapat yung abangan sa ating primetime episode, of course, with the ultimate multimedia star, Miss Tony Gonzaga. Panoorin niyo ito. Okay, hindi pa kayo ready. Ito na lang muna. Hi kay Luis and Season! Nandito siya ngayon, ang anak ni Robin Season! Hi to Don, hi to JP Panizales, Patricia to Yuki, we miss you! And forever Mariel, Mavangelicious, Mabinians, KTGs, Shepard, Uber Addict, at syempre ang pamilya Esguera, Sergeant Esguera, dalawa lang, OG, Ann, and Kevin, and Ina. At ito na nga aming primetime episode, panoorin niyo.
Big 6. Congratulations! At pumasok ka na sa party. Patunayan ninyo na kayo ay karapat-dapat na tawaging big winner.
What happened? We're gonna live here. What the hell?
And then tell the character. Show them your big thing.
What, you wanna eat it?
Show them your big thing.
I deserve it.
We wanna say hello to Jock Capillo, our writer. At syempre, eto naman ang matatanggap na ating 6th and 5th team big placer. Meron silang 100,000. Ang 4th team big placer ay Blig Ryan, may 200,000. Ang 3rd team big placer may 300,000. Ang 2nd team big placer may 500,000 at Sony Vaio laptop. Ang big winner naman ay may 1 million pesos. Ang 6th and 5th big placer, ang kanilang cash prize ay manggagaling sa candies. At ang 4th, 3rd, 2nd at big winner ay galing naman sa Jack and Jill Snacks. Ang ating big winner makakatanggap rin ng 46-inch Sony Bravia Asian Tour for 2 from Von Dutch, 1.5 million worth of Crystal Clear franchise from SolarX, and 3 million worth of condo units at GA Tower, 1 from Globe Asiatic. At maraming salamat sa Meg Zenzel, Trust Dr. Kalayan, Seriously White Whitening, Hot Pink Lingerie, Dr. Steve Marcan, Fresh Look Contact Lens, Fendi Eyewear, Contact Blue, SM Accessories, Salon de Manila, Antonio Hairdressing. Maraming salamat! Alright! At don't forget na ito-todo ang pag-vote dahil mabilis nagbabago ang mga text votes. Talaga nga naman now is your chance. Bye na! At you also are bye! Happy birthday to Joshua and Kennedy from Morales from Daddy Elemar!
Habang ito'y